Hey friends, welcome back to BioHack Thursday, where I share science-backed strategies to help you take charge of your health. We talked about uric acid a little bit in another previous Daily Spoonful. I'm getting more and more people talking about it in the community, so I thought we'd go a little bit deeper this time. So today's hack might surprise you. Uric acid isn't just about gout. Most people think of uric acid as those painful crystals that settle in your big toe. And yes, that's gout. But here's the truth bomb. Even if you've never had gout in your life, high uric acid levels can be a red flag for metabolic disease. Why? Because uric acid and insulin resistance go hand in hand. And when your body can't process carbs and fructose efficiently, uric acid levels rise. And high uric acid doesn't just sit quietly, it contributes to inflammation, high blood pressure, and fatty liver. In fact, research shows that uric acid is like the smoke alarm on your metabolism. You may not feel anything yet, but it's a warning that the fire is coming. And that fire includes diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. Now, here's something important to know if you're just starting keto or carnivore. You may actually experience a temporary flare-up of gout attacks because when your body first shifts into fat burning mode, it breaks down stored energy rapidly and uric acid can spike for a short period of time. This doesn't mean keto is bad for gout. In fact, over the long term, a low-carb diet usually lowers uric acid, but that initial adjustment period can bring on an attack in someone who is prone to it. Knowing this can help you prepare and stick with the process instead of getting scared off. So here's the hack. If you've ever had labs done, look at your uric acid number. Normal is often listed as up to 7. But optimal is usually closer to 5 or below. If yours is creeping higher, even without gout, it's worth paying attention to. And the best way to lower your uric acid, cutting sugar, refined carbs, and especially fructose. That means ditching the sodas, the fruit juices, and processed snacks. A low-carb or ketogenic approach naturally brings uric acid back into balance. So don't wait for your gout to give you a wake-up call. Look at uric acid as an early warning sign for your metabolic health. This week's challenge, check your last set of labs or ask your doctor to run a uric acid. So if you're just starting out or you've done keto in the past and you need a reset, check out my ebook, Keto Made Simple. The link is in the description. I'll see you tomorrow.